How to delete Spotify account. So first, go to your account on your browser. Next is you can just click on your profile here at the top right and then click on account. Now once you're here, you just need to scroll down, look for support, click on this one, then search for close account. Then you can just click on closing your account and deleting your data. Now once you're here, if you got premium, you can just click on this one, or if you have a free account, you can just click on this one, click on it. Now once you're here, you can just click on continue to close your account. Okay, now you just need to read this, and then you can just click on I understand by closing your account, delimiting this, and then click on continue to close your account. Now once you're here, you just need to go to your email. So I'll just go to my email here. Okay, now click on open your email here, and then here you just need to click on close my account, and it's done. Okay, your Spotify will close your account after you click on this one. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.